Our team name is called Team Avocados, and we are from St. Michael's Primary School in Kaylin, inside Canberra.
Our game is called Cook or Die. Pretty self-explanatory, am I right?
You get a job at the restaurant, but no normal restaurant. At the end of the day, you have to either go to the supermarket or to the forest.
At the forest, you will get attacked by a wild animal. What will you do? Will you run? Will you call for help? Will you tame the beast? It's all in your hands.
At the restaurant, you will have to prepare the fanciest avocado meals. Every 5 rounds of the game, you either get cooking supplies as a prize or things to fight the beast.
My favourite part is the graphics and the design of it all.
And I liked how every 5 levels you would get a prize.